Come on. Hello, this is Papa Bruce. A while back when I got to Shopsmith, I kept having to look up in the books and figure out what all the speeds were, A through W, and I made out a Excel spreadsheet, and you can see it here. I got all the all the different things that the Shopsmith does, and the RPMs with the letters set at whatever wood or I'm working with. And then on the back side is all the bandsaw blade speeds with different blades, recommended uses, and speeds recommended. I highly recommend, if you can do this with Excel, do it. It's really handy. And then I laminated mine. So let's get back to the lathe sharpening tools, or lathe tool sharpening. Now we are both learning, because I have found very limited videos when I was trying to learn how to use this thing, and I figured if I can't find a video, I might as well make one. So we are going to be learning together how to use this thing. You know, I just got this. This is the lathe sharpening guide. I bought it with the Shopsmith. I bought a whole bunch of accessories with it. And this, I just put it together. And I'm going to use Doug Reed's advice on the angles until I find out different. I'm going to set it up at 13 degrees and then tighten it down. Well, that's about 13 and a half. Let's go with 13. Okay, sharpen both of them down, and at this front one, as you tighten it up, it locks it in. So let's get it up here and set the angle at 13 degrees. Okay, now I'm going to show you what 13 degrees looks like on this, because this is a little odd. That black mark is your center. Okay, let me loosen this one too. That's your 0, and each black mark is 4 black marks on each side, and that would be your 1, 2, 3, 4. So you go to the 10 mark, the center of the black mark on the 10, and then go three lines over would be 13 degrees. That's not necessarily a true degree mark, it's just a reference on this guide. It's probably not a true 13 degrees. And we're going to see, okay, I also noticed on this back side that it's got this knob here. I'm not sure what this knob is for, but it gets in the way. You can't move it all the way towards the sanding desk. You can get it pretty close, but you can't get it right on. Right there. And then let's move this a little closer. Lock that down, and then we can move this as close as what we need. And that looks like about as close as we're going to get it. So we'll lock this quill down. And I've got the speed set on B. Now, since this is a new disc, a new deal for me that I'm looking up. Okay, grit, hardwood, softwood. We're not doing wood, so we got to kind of guess. We're using the medium grade, and it's G or F. So it says on this guide, do not exceed the speed setting D on the Mark V. Okay, so when I turn it on, you always want to adjust the speed while the Shopsmith is running, or they say you'll ruin the belt. And since I just saw that the do not exceed setting D on the guide, I'm going to turn it up to D. Make sure you wear your eye protection. There we go. Okay, that's on D. Now, we're going to do the gouge, the large gouge first. As always, wear safety goggles, which is a good idea. Okay. Move that over. We'll put this in. Getting to the tip, so we're just going to keep on going. Getting a whole new angle on it, but you see how it's kind of cockeyed at an angle. I'm going to try to flatten that out. You see there? Like that angle is built into the guide, so we're just going to bring that angle all the way to the tip, which is not quite there. We got a little bit more grinding to do. sir. Almost, we got, no, just a hair more to go. Man, you gotta watch your knuckles on this thing. I have felt my knuckles touch that a few times. Almost there. Okay, that looks like it's good. It's probably hot. It's not real hot. Okay, that is your rough and gouge. Here's your 3/8 gouge. Same kind of tool, just a lot smaller. See. Oh yeah, there's a couple different angles on there. So we're going to have to cut a whole new angle all the way down. Quite. A lot more to go yet. Almost. Got it on both corners, so we just got to get the middle of it ground down. Almost. Stay there. Pretty close. Now we're going to do the, I'm not exactly sure what this thing's called. I watched him do it. So we're going to use this guide. We'll use the right side for the upper tip and then turn it over. And we'll use the left side to ground that. We'll put it on the up side. just barely grinding on the corner. And we got the wrong angle. Or the person before us had the wrong angle. This butt end, there's this, whatever this is called, bonnet, is hitting this. So this blade is too short. So I'm just going to have to do what I can. And I'm burning the blade, I shouldn't be doing that. Well, I'm going to do what I can to get a sharp edge on it.